Okay, children, we can start the class. First, we finish yesterday's try this question. Most of the children, they have done us homework and they have sent me. I have checked their work, but few students, they did not send the homework, okay, yesterday's homework. Children, you can send the homework through my WhatsApp number. Also, you are having some parents teacher app is there. From that also you can send the homework. So today we are starting children, today we are starting our exercise 1.1. That is our first exercise of this first chapter. Okay, we are starting our first exercise. Children, please try to attend the live classes. Don't wait for the video later. Okay, try to attend the live class. So first we are starting exercise 1.1. What is the first one? That is the fill in the blanks. That is a fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. In that fill in the blanks, okay, they are asking 1 lakh equal to how many 10,000? Children, 1 lakh means how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? How many zeros are there, children? 5 zeros are there in 1 lakh. Then they are asking 1 lakh equal to how many 10,000? So 1 lakh equal to how many 10,000? That is a question. Okay. So 10,000 is having how many zeros, children? 10,000 is having 4 zeros. That you know very well. So from this 1 lakh, teacher is removing 4 zeros because 10,000 is having 4 zeros. 10,000. So teacher is removing 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Teacher removed. Then what is left? 10. That means 1 lakh means 10,000. 1 lakh means 10,000 because 1 lakh is having 5 0 and 10,000 is having 4 0. So if you are removing 4 zeros from 1 lakh, you will get how many 10,000 makes 1 lakh. See, teacher removed 4 zeros from that. How much is left? 10. So 10,000 means 10,000 means that is 1 lakh. Okay. See, teacher wrote it in the textbook also. 10,000 makes 1 lakh. Okay. Here teacher is working. Working is here. Second fill in the blanks is, that is the first one, children. Second fill in the blank is 1 million equal to how many 100,000? $1 million. So 1 million means 1 million is having how many zeros, children? 1 million is having 6 0. That is international system. 1 million is having 6 0. See, teacher wrote it like that. In international system, 3 digits makes 1 period. So this is first ones period, thousands period and million. So teacher wrote 1 million. 1 million is having how many zeros? 6 0. Then 100,000. 100,000 is having how many zeros? 100,000. 100,000. See, 100,000. 100,000 is having 5 zeros. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So teacher is removing 5 zeros from 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? I got it. 10. So 10 100,000 makes 1 million. Okay. What teacher did? Teacher first wrote 1 million. 1 million is having 6 0. Teacher wrote that one. Then teacher wrote 100,000. 100,000 means 1 follows with the 5 zeros. Then what teacher did? teacher removed that 100,000, 5 zeros from 1 million. Then how much is left, children? 10. So we got 10 100,000 makes 1 million. Teacher is going to write that answer here in the blank textbook also teacher wrote. Okay? Understood this one? So first we are writing 1 lakh. How many 10,000 means? We are writing 1 lakh. 1 lakh is having 5 0 and 10,000 is having only 4 0. Then you can remove that 4 zeros from 1 lakh. You will get how many 10,000 makes 1 lakh. Clear, children? Okay. Now teacher is going to the third one. Question number third is 1 crore equal to how many 10 lakh? Okay. 1 crore equal to how many 10 lakh? So teacher is writing 1 crore. 1 crore means how many zeros are there, children? 1. See, 7 zeros are there in 1 crore. Then how many 10 lakhs are there? 10 lakh is how many zeros? 10 lakh. See, 10 lakh is having 6 0. So remove 6 0 from this 1 crore. You will get how many 10 lakhs are there? Teacher is removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is remaining? 10. That means 10 lakhs makes 1 crore. Okay? First, try to write 1 crore. How many zeros are there? 1 follows with the 7 zeros. Teacher wrote. Then 10 lakh means that is 1 follows with the 6 0. 10 lakh. So teacher is removing that 10 lakh zeros, that is 6 0 from crore. I will get how many 10 lakhs make 1 crore. So teacher wrote the answer here also. 10. Again 10 lakhs make 1 crore. Okay, 10 lakhs make 1 crore. Then next fourth one. 1 crore equal to dash million. 1 crore means, children, 1 crore means 1 follows with the 7 zeros. Teacher wrote 1 crore. Then 1 million means how many zeros are there in 1 million? 1 follows with the 6 0. 1 million means 1 follows with the 6 0. 1 crore means 1 follows with the 7 0. Then how many millions makes 1 crore means? Remove that 6 0 here. Because million is having 6 0. That zeros we are removing. 6 zeros are going. Then again 10. So 10 million makes 1 crore. Okay, 10 million makes 1 crore. Understood, children? Next, 1 million equal to, understood, right? Teacher is moving the page. So write it down properly. 1 crore equal to 7 0, 1 million equal to 6 0. So if you are 6 0 from that 1 crore, you will get how many million makes 1 crore. Okay, clear, children? Next, teacher is going to the next page. Last one, okay? Fifth one. 1 million equal to dash lakh. All of you know 1 million means 1 follows with a 6 zeros and 1 lakh means 1 follows with a 5 0. Okay? At least by heart, how many zeros are there in million? How many zeros are there in lakh? That you have to by heart. Then see 1 lakh 5 0, 1 million 6 0. So what teacher is going to do? Teacher is removing this 5 zeros from the million. Teacher removed this. Then what is remaining? 10. That means 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs makes 1 million. See, here in the fill in the blanks all came 10, 10, 10. Don't by heart that one. Try to understand the method. Teacher will not give like this question in exam. Try to understand the method, how teacher did. Teacher got the answer like that. Okay? Try to understand the method and do it. Don't copy down 10, 10, 10 like that. But here it came 10, 10, 10. But in exam it won't come like this. Okay? Remember that. See some questions for you. Homework, write it down. Only 3 questions teacher is giving. lakh equal to dash million. 10 lakh equal to dash million. Second one, 10 crore equal to dash thousands. Oh, 10 crore equal to dash thousands. You copy down these two answers and send me today, okay? Teacher wrote all the fill in the blanks first 5 questions. Teacher gave you 2 homework questions like that. 10 lakh equal to how many million? 10 crore equal to how many thousands? See the numbers here, it will not come 10 like that, it will come different, okay? So do it these 2 questions. Question next time it will come like this way only. So try to understand the method how teacher wrote the answer. The same way you can done these 2 questions as homework. So homework question, 10 lakh equal to dash million, 10 crore equal to dash thousand. Okay? One more you want? Okay, then write it. 10,000 equal to dash hundreds. Equal to dash hundreds. How to do? You try yourself, okay? How many hundreds make 10,000? The same pattern how teacher did the same, keep it in the mind and do. Okay, you will get it. Try to understand the exercise first one, then do these 3 questions as homework. Okay? Then after that, teacher is changing the page, children. Hope you have done this one. Next we are going to the next second question. Our second question, exercise 1.1. Second question, children. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Numerals means what, children? Number. We are writing the number. Place commas correctly and write the numeral. What is the first question, children? See, teacher is reading. You are having the textbook, right? Just take the textbook. Textbook page number 12. Hope all of you have taken the textbook page number 12. Then question number 2 we are doing. Okay, question number 2. Place commas correctly and write the numeral. What is the first question, children? First one is 73,75,307. The question is, we know the place value system. This is given in Indian place value system. Lakhs is coming in Indian place value. So 73 lakhs, teacher is writing, okay? First one, 73 lakhs, teacher is putting numeral. So teacher is making a comma. Then 75,000, because in Indian system, each group is having only two digits. 73 lakhs, 75,307. 307. Is correct, children? Teacher wrote properly. You check the answer, is it correct? 73 lakh, okay, correct, 73 lakhs, lakhs place. Next is 75,000, okay, 75,000 place, correct. Then 307, okay. So place the commas correctly and write the numeral. Teacher put the commas also proper way. Next, second question, children. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Teacher is going to write very careful, okay? 9 crore. 9 crore, after crore place, that period teacher putting a comma. Then how many lakhs are there? 5 lakhs. But we know each period is having two digits. So 5 lakhs, how we will write, children? 5 lakhs. Correct. Next, 41. 41 means something is missing there. Which place is missing here? That is 9 crore 5 lakh 40. That means thousands period is missing. So what we will do, children? We have to put 0 in thousands period. 0 in thousands period. Then what is the remaining? 41. 41 means How many digits are in ones period? 3 digits. So 41 teacher will write like this way. This question, this model, children will make mistake. Why? Because they will not put the 0. If the group, that period is missing, they have to put zeros in that period. That is a common mistake you people are making. So listen carefully. 9 crore. Correct, teacher wrote 9 crore. 5 lakhs. Two digits are there in each period. So that means crore also 2 digits are there. If you want, you can put in the beginning 0. Okay, teacher is not putting that. So teacher is putting 9 crore, 5 lakhs, then thousands period we want. After crore, lakhs, thousand. It is not there, teacher put 0 there, 0, 0. Then 41. 41 means don't write only 41, add 0, 4, 1 because ones period is having 3 digits. Other all periods are having 2 digits in each period, only starting with a 3 digit. Clear, children? Now it's correct, right? Teacher wrote correctly. Then C part, 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. 7 crore. Teacher is writing 7 crore. Next lakhs place, that is 52 lakhs. 52 lakhs. Correct. Teacher wrote 52 lakhs. Then 21,000. Okay, teacher wrote 21,000. 21,000. Then 302. You have to see, okay, teacher is copying down the question proper or not. 7 crore, 52 lakhs, 21,302. Correct. Here all the periods are there, nothing is missing. So we wrote as it is in the question. Okay. Nothing is missing here. See, teacher wrote 7 crore, correct. 52 lakhs proper. 21,000. Okay, that is also okay. 302. Correct. Okay. Next, D part of the question. What is the D part of the question? 58 million. Million is which system? International, not Indian system. So we are moving to the international system. 58 million 423,202. 58 million means in international system, each period consists of 3 digits. We know that. But starting 58 million, so we can write only 58, or you can write 058. 0 doesn't have any value, so teacher wrote 58 million 423,000. 423,000. See, 3 digits in each period because international. 423,000. Then 202. You just see teacher is copying the numbers properly, okay? 58 million, correct. 423,202. Correct, children? It's okay. Why teacher wrote like this? Because each period in international system consists of 3 digits. So see, ones period is having 3 digits, thousands period 3 digits, million also 3 digits because it is starting, so we can write like this way. Okay? Next, E part, teacher is not doing, make it as homework, okay? E part, do as homework. Teacher is not doing. Okay? So teacher have done 4 questions, only one teacher gave you homework, so make it as homework. So next one, we are moving to the third question. We are going to the third question. Shall I move the page, children? Hope you have done this one. Teacher is moving the page. Hope all of you have done this one. Okay? Next question, question number 3, children. Okay, we are starting question number 3. Insert, what is the question? Insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. What we had to do? We had to put first commas according to the Indian system, Indian place value system, and write the names. Write the names means number name. Oh, how to read the number. Okay. So first one, teacher is doing only 2 questions, A and B. Okay. The rest is C and D, homework for you. So teacher is circling here in the textbook. Homework question, teacher is circling here. So first two questions the teacher will do, the rest two you have to do as homework. So first one, A. What is a A question? That is 875, numbers are given the digits like this, 875, 957, 62. Teacher is not reading the number now. Later on, after putting the comma, teacher will read the number. So the digits are given 875, 95, 762. See teacher, what teacher did after copying down the number, one more time teacher is reading the number, reading the digit. In maths, after copying the digits, always you have to repeat the number one more time, because most of the children copying down the number wrongly. So after copying down one more time, read out the number. Okay? Teacher is always doing like that. You have to do like that way. Now what they are saying, insert comma according to the Indian system. Indian system means, you know, yesterday we had learned first 3 digit, once period. Next 2, 2, 2 like it will go. Okay? Once period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So what is the number, children? This is 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Correct? Teacher did not read the number in the beginning because there is no comma. Why we are putting comma means it is easy to read and write. So that is what we are. If larger numbers are coming, we are making the numbers, we are rewriting the number with the commas. So first 3 digit we are putting a comma, next 2 digit a comma, next 2 digit comma, like that. It is going on like this. Now it is easy to read. This is once period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period and this is crore period. No need of writing like this. Okay, teacher is writing now the number name. Number name means the word form, written form. Okay, how to write this one? 8 crores 75 lakhs 75 lakhs, then what? 95,000, then 762. Correct, children? See, teacher wrote, but in number name, yesterday teacher told you, don't put any commas in between the number name. That is the name of the number, this numeral, name of this number. So don't put any commas in between the number name. So teacher wrote correct, right? 8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Copy down in the notebook. First one is over. So teacher wrote the number and it's a number name. Okay? So number means rewrite the number with the suitable commas. Then write the number name according to the Indian system. So first one, A part is over. Teacher have done this one. Now teacher is going to the second question. Second question, teacher is changing the board, children. Hope you have copied down properly. Shall I move to the next one? Okay, we are going to the second question. Copy down properly. Okay, teacher is going to the next one, children. Second part of the question, teacher is writing the digit as it is 854 6283. 854 6283. Correct. Teacher copy down properly the number. Now what is next step? Put the commas according to the Indian system. Indian system means first from the right, first 3 digits makes ones period, next 2 digits makes thousands period, next 2 digits makes lakhs period. So teacher got ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So how to read this number means, that is a word form we can say, or we can say the number name, or we can say the written form. So the word form is 85 lakh 85 lakhs. Then what is the thousands place, children? 46,000. 46,000. 46,283. Correct, children? Teacher wrote it like that. See the word form. Number name correct or wrong? Teacher wrote 85 lakhs. Okay, correct. 85 lakhs. 46,000. Okay, correct. 283. Okay, 283. That is the number name for that number. Okay, don't put commas in number name. Word form, don't put any commas. Clear, children? Now what teacher said, the next C and D, make it as homework. Okay, C and D you can do as homework. Copy down this one. We are going to the next question. Okay, B part, word form 85 lakhs 46,283. Now teacher is going to the next question. So mark it in the textbook, C and D homework. Teacher is going to the next question, children. Next page teacher is taking. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Insert comma suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. Indian system is over, now international system. Okay, so there also teacher is going to give you C and D questions homework, and A and B we will do it. Okay, so first teacher is writing question number A. 78921092. Children, check the question. Teacher copied correct or wrong? 78921092. Okay. So yes, teacher copied the number properly. Then what we want? Insert comma suitably. We want to put commas. How to put comma? International, not Indian. International system consists of each 3 digit, after each 3 digit we are making a comma from the right side. So 1, 2, 3, put a comma, correct, because international system. Next 1, 2, 3, again comma, again 1, 2, 3, it will go like that way. International, because Indian system, first 3 digit in a group, next 2 digits in a group. International system, first all the group consists of 3 digits. So this is ones period, this is thousands, after that million in international system. First ones period, then thousands period, then millions period. Okay, so how to write the number name, or how to write in word form? How to write the word form of that number? Okay, 78 million. Then what is the next? 921,000. We will write full 921 78 million 921, then write the period 1000, thousands, then 92. You have to listen properly. Teacher is making any mistake or not in the number name and all. Listen carefully. See, teacher wrote 78. That is the first, starting with the 78 million, that period. Then 921, together we will write 921. Then the period 1000. 921 thousands, then 92. Okay, after each period, each group of number mention its period. So 78, then millions period, that is. Okay, if you want millions, we can write plural, 78 millions. 921 thousands, that is thousands period. Then 92, finish. That is the first part. A is over. The teacher wrote the commas properly. Then teacher wrote the word form of the number. Next, copy down properly, children. Yesterday, some children, they did not copy down the notes properly. They sent only the homework. They did not copy down the classwork proper way yesterday. So teacher want to see the classwork, whatever we are doing in the class also, teacher want to see the notes, okay children? Because in the class, regular class, we are doing like that. Classwork also in the class we are doing proper, and the homework you are doing at home. The same way, maths we are doing here, okay? So copy down all the work in the class also in the proper way, then make homework and show that to one children. Next one, question number 2. Teacher is moving to question number 2. Shall I go? You completed, right? 78 millions, 921 thousands, or million also we can write 78 million, 921,092. Okay? Next we are going to the second question. Teacher is changing the board. Second question means that is okay. Second question, teacher, after copying the number, teacher is looking again one more time. Is it correct or wrong? You also do like that way. Okay. 7452283. Then teacher is making, first putting the comma, first 3 digit, a comma, international system. Next 3 digit, a comma. Then see, this is ones period. This is the thousands period. This is the millions period. Teacher is not writing the place value. Teacher wrote the period name on the top, okay, not the place value. So this is 3 digits. 3 digit form ones period. Next 3 digit form thousands period. Next million, okay. Then how to write the number name? How to write the word form? We can write number name, word form, written form, okay. So teacher is writing, first one is millions period, 7 million, correct, 7 million, don't put any comma, 452,000 is correct, children? Yes, correct. Then what is the next one? 283. Okay, teacher copied correct, right? 7 million, correct. 452,000 place, correct. 283. See children, teacher wrote it properly. This is international system. So 7,452,283. What is the mistake you are making means you are not putting the periods properly. This is very important. We are putting, you have to write millions, thousands. Periods you have to mention in the number name clearly. Then again there teacher gave you, see, 2 questions are homework, C and D.